Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting the essentials in place. Open VS Code and the project folder so files live together. Make index. HTML and app. JS right away because a paired HTML file hosts your script. Once done, install the live server extension or confirm the Chrome/Edge debugger is available. This gives an instant rendering path. Make sure Node. JS is installed for NPM-based tools. These steps reduce friction, so you can jump to previewing JavaScript without setup headaches. You now run and inspect. Start live server by clicking status bar or right-clicking index. HTML, because a live URL shows changes instantly. Then open developer tools with F12 to check console output, watch network activity, and observe DOM mutations as your script runs. Make sure to set breakpoints in app. JS either in VS Code's debug pane or within DevTools sources so you can inspect variables, and evaluate expressions. This combination reveals how code affects the page and why bugs occur. Finish by wiring the VS Code debugger to the browser. Create a launch. JSON configuration for Chrome or Edge, then start debugging so breakpoints map to your source. After edits, refresh live server or restart the debugger. Make sure to clear cache with Ctrl+Shift+R when stale assets appear. If something fails, read the console error and stack trace carefully, set a breakpoint on the reported line, and inspect variables to find state issues quickly. One tip: disable extensions if strange behavior persists.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.